Now, the government is warning of a total shutdown if the effects of the dreaded coronavirus persist. A new case was announced today, bringing the total confirmed to 4. Health Cabinet Secretary Kagwe has urged people to stay away from public gatherings, saying there is a high likelihood of more cases being reported. NTV's Kennedy Mureithi with those details.
As more cases are reported, the government is once again calling on Kenyans to take seriously the advice given on COVID-19 prevention.
We have received confirmation of another case of coronavirus following tests carried out to a patient in one of our private facilities. This now brings the number of confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country to 4.
In confirming the new case, Health CS Kagwe said it was not related to the 3 other cases reported earlier, and that health authorities are now in the process of tracing people that have been in contact with the new patient who jetted into the country 9 days ago.
The patient is reported to have traveled from London, United Kingdom, on the 8th of March 2020, arriving in the country on the 9th of March.
The government is warning of more infections if Kenyans do not heed advice regarding the pandemic.
We can almost predict that going forward, we should prepare. We should prepare for hopefully what will be not too many more cases.
The probability of a complete shutdown with everybody ordered to stay at home is being assessed as the risk grows daily.
A total shutdown is always on the table because depending on on how we see the progress, depending on how we monitor the situation, then, and also we are monitoring with the Ministry of Interior to see to what extent the public is following the guidelines the guidelines that we have given.
On his part, President Uhuru Kenyatta is now calling on the nation to turn to God and to ask for forgiveness for anything that we might have done wrong. He acknowledged that without God, we are nothing. To this end, the president has announced Saturday 21st as a National Prayer Day to be led from State House and beamed live across the country and abroad.
On that day, we shall together ask for his protection and blessing for our nation, for our people, for the world, and all global citizens.
But even as the government notes that a total shutdown is an option on the table, it has gone ahead to forestall a total shutdown economically by proposing that any cargo that has to come into the country has to be disinfected at the point of departure and also at the point of entry here in Kenya, be it by ship or by aeroplane. Kennedy Mureithi, NTV in Nairobi County.